This brief tutorial video explains how to customize the overview page of a product showcased on Finlens. You can fully customize the overview page for each product and each share class within that product. To do this, simply click on the Edit Overview button at the top of the page for the selected product. Let's start with the image representing the product. It can be modified and darkened if required. You can also add or not a follow button so that users can subscribe to news about the product. Let's move on to the components. These include predefined components, which are available by default, and generic components, which can be created at will by users with admin status for this product. You can of course modify them or create new ones as you edit your overview. Each component can be moved, deleted, and resized to best fit the product overview. You can also rename each component and even add a footnote if required. Once you've finished customizing the preview of your product, you can save the changes by clicking on the Save button. Thank you for watching our short explanatory video on how to customize the overview page of a product. We trust that you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.